Hi guys, welcome back to my mathematics tutorial. Again, my name is Peter C. Doppler Jr. So this is the continuation of our lesson on finding the inverse derivatives of the inverse trigonometric functions. So we found the derivative of the first four trigonometric functions, that is sine, cosine, tangent, and cosecant inverse of x. We want to now look at what is the derivative of secant inverse of x. So we take the function secant inverse of x to be equal to some y. We get rid of this inverse by taking secant on both sides. So secant of y equals to secant of secant inverse of x. So we know that secant of secant inverse of x is just equal to x, and then this is just secant of y. So we differentiate using implicit differentiation. The derivative of secant is just secant of y times tangent of y times the derivative of the angle, which is just y prime. The derivative of x is just 1. So we can divide both sides by secant of y, secant of y, secant of y, tangent of y, so that we'll be able to solve for y prime. So this cancel. So y prime now equals to 1 all over secant of y tangent of y. What is secant of y? Secant of y is just equals to x. So y prime is 1 all over x tangent of y. So we now need to find what is tangent of y. So again, from the Pythagorean identity that we saw in previous lesson, cos square y plus sine square y is just equal to 1. So if we want to solve for tangent, it means that we must have cos within the denominator. So we can divide all sides by cos square y, and then cos square y. So this gives us 1 plus sine over cosine is tangent, and then 1 over cos is secant. So what do we have? We have tangent square y is equal to secant square y minus 1. So we want to solve for only tangent, not tangent square. So we can take the square root on both sides. So this cancel. We're left with tangent of y to just be equal to the square root of secant of y all square minus 1. So we come back to the problem. We have y prime equals to 1 all over x. Tangent of y now is just the square root of secant of y all square minus 1. So we have y prime to be 1 all over x. Now what is secant of y? Secant of y is just equals to x. So this is just x squared minus 1. So this is how we find the derivative of the inverse function for secant of x. Thanks all so much for watching. See you in our next lesson. Thank you. Please don't forget to share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.